ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्रियवतु आनो दिवो बृहतः पर्वतादा सरस्वती यजता गन्तु यज्ञं हवं देवी जुजुषाणाघृताची शग्मान्नो वाचमुशती शृणोतु जुष्टो वाचो भूयासं जुष्टो वाचस्पतये देवी वाक् यद्वाचो मधुमत्तस्मिन्माधा स्वाहा सरस्वत्यै ओम शांति शांति शांति। My pranams to all the scholars, those who are present today in the day one program of Nada Vedadhyana Kendra, Waves India Bangalore chapter, and I welcome you all for this two-day session conference. And the moderator and the master of the proceedings is in fact Professor Anjanaya Prasad Kalyam, but as he is traveling, though he is present today at midnight from Australia, but he asked me to continue as moderator for this two-day conference. So I now first request for Veda Kusmanjali by Sri Vasan and Nada Veda Adhyana Kendra Veda students. So, please.
Mahesh is there in place of Vasan. Mahesh will, I think, make prayer.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Bhadram Karne Bhishunuyama Devaha Bhadram Pashye Makshabhirya Jatraha Sirairangai Stuštuvagum Sastanubihi Vyashema Deva Hitayadayuhu Swasti Najindro Vrutashravaha Swasti Nah पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम अग्नेनय सुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोद्यस्मज्जुहोराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां ते नम मुक्तिं विधेम ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसी जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूर इषव्यो अतिव्याधि महारथो जायताम् दोग्ध्रीधेनुः ओडानड्वान् आशुः सप्तिः पुरंदिर्योषाः जिष्णोरथेष्ठाः सभेयो युवाः अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो न वर्षतु फलवत्यो न वोषधयः पच्यन्ताम् योगक्षेमो नः कल्पेताम् ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्ते।
धन्यवादः महेश सर। Now may I request Sri Ramachandrudu to tell the Ghanapata. Ramachandrudu?
Yeah, Namaskaram. Namaskaram, Guru Garu. Namaskaram, everyone. Good evening and then good morning, everyone. So I'll start now.
Yes.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Gananam Tva Ganapatikum Havamahe Kavim Kavinabhupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashranvannotibhis Sedasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinama Vitriyavatu Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Gurus Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Shri Mahaganathepataye Namaha Shri Mahasaraswatyai Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Deva Gata Vido Deva Deva Gata Vido Gatum Gata Vido Deva Deva Gata Vido Gatum Gata Vido Gatum Gata Vido Gatum Vitva Gatum Gata Vido Gatum Vitva Gata Vida iti Gatu Vidaha Gatum Vitva Gatum Vitva Gatum Vitva Gatum Vitva Gatum Vitva Gatum Vitva Gatum Viteta Gatum Vitva Gatum Vita Gatum Viteta Gatum Vitamanaso Manasaita Gatum Vitamanasaha Itamanaso Manasa ite Thamanasaspate Pathamanasa ite Thamanasaspate Manasaspate Pathamanaso Manasaspata imam pate Manaso Manasaspata imam Pate imam pate pata imannona imam pate pata imannaha imannona imanno deva devana imanno deva no deva deva no deva deveshu deva no deva deveshu deva deveshu deva deveshu yajnam deveshu deva deveshu yajnam deveshu yajnam deveshu yajnagga swaha yajnam deveshu yajnagga swaha yajnagga swaha yajnam yajnagga swaha bhachi swaha yajnam yajnagga swaha bhachi स्वाहा भाच स्वाहा भाच स्वाहा भाच स्वाहा भाच स्वाहा भाच स्वाहा भाच स्वाहा वाते स्वाहा भाच स्वाहा वाते स्वाहा वाते स्वाहा वाते धा वाते स्वाहा वाते धा वाते धा वाते धा इति धाः यश्चन्दसामृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासम् शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरि विश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ओम श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु तत्सदब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु स्वस्ति
ధన్యవాదాः Sri Ramachandrudu. Many thanks to you. So now we will go. Now we will go with Sangeetanjali by Srimati Annapurna Duvuri and Dr. Lakshmi Rajagopalan from the US.
So
Srimati Annapurna.
Yeah, I will start first and then Lakshmi Garu, you can sing. Can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Shuklam Brahma Vichara Sara Paramam Aryam Jagad Vyapinim Veena Pustakadharinim Abhayadam Chadyantapkarapaham Haste Spatikamalikaam Chadadatim Padmasane Samstita Vandetam परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदा शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शंकर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे शंकर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकल कला विशारदे वरदे शंकर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकल कला विशारदे वरदे सलहेन्न ताये सामगान प्रिये सलहेन्न ताये सामगान प्रिये शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಳಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಳಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಳಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಶೃಂಗಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಶುಭಮಂಗಳೇ ಸರ್ವಾಭೀಷ್ಟಪ್ರದೇ ಶೃಂಗಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಶಾರದೆ
Thank you, madam. That was just great. And today is everything on Saraswati. So it is, and she is the great Jagannatha of our Sringeri ashramam, which Shankaracharya Varu has brought her to Sringeri. Thank you, madam. And we request now Srimati Dr. Lakshmi Rajagopalan.
ವಿನಾ ನಿನ್ನು ವಿನಾ ಬ್ರೋಚುಟಗು ವಿನಾ ನಿನ್ನು ವಿನಾ ಬ್ರೋಚುಟಗು ವಿನಾ ಬ್ರೋಚುಟಗು ವಿನಾ బ్రోచుటకు వేరెవరు విఘ్న రాజ వినాయక నిన్ను వినా బ్రోచుటకు వేరెవరు విఘ్నరాజ వినాయక నిన్ను వినా బ్రోచుటకు వేరెవరు విఘ్నరాజ వినాయక అనాథ రక్షక అనాథ రక్షక అనాథ రక్షక రక్షక నాథ రక్షక ఆదరి వరాదా ఆదరి రాధా ఆదరి పనన్ను రాధా వినాయక బ్రోచుటకు వేరెవరు విఘ్నరాజ వినాయక सरसीरुहासनायुक चरण सततमश्रित जन संकट हरना सरसीरुहासनायुक चरण सततमश्रित जन संकट हरना परम कृपा सागर परम कृपा सागर परम कृपा सागर सुगुण परम कृपा सागर सुगुण पालित जन पालदासनुत पालित जन पालदासनुत पालित जन गोपालदासनुत पालित जन गोपालदासनुत विनायका निन्नु विना ब्रोचुटकु वेरेवरू विघ्नराज विनायक Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rajagopalan. Very nice of you. And you brought Vinayaka into the forum. And thank you so much, madam, for the excellent rendition. Now we request for a brief introductory talk by our Guru, Professor C.L. Prabhakar sir.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Agne Nayasupataraye Asman Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidwan Yuyodhyasmajjuhuranameno Bhuishtham Te Namavuktim Vidhema Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Swasti. It is really a festival for all of us. It is the annual festival of Dada Veda Adhyayana Kendra, and also we jointly made World Association, the wider association for Vedic studies. Almost simultaneously, both have been founded. One in the Atlanta by Dr. Gurudev Sharma, another in Bangalore by all the Brahmana Sangha people and myself and all that. But I don't know, many times the river that started might sometimes dry up. But I don't know. If I have somehow named the verse Veda Ganga. Veda is knowledge, Gnanam. Ganga is continuous Pravaha. So Veda Ganga is Gnana Pravaha. And Gnana Murti, Dakshinamurti, my Guru has given me Upadesha. And Gnana Pustatmakam Bibhrati, Parameswari, Shamalamba, and Lalita Parameswari, they are all there. See that the flow is always on and on and on. Today we have come to the 29th year of celebration, and people from north and south all have become one when this kind of meeting has been formed. And similarly, annually also we have India conference in Delhi and international conference at different places other than India. So thereby,
So you have muted.
Oh, yeah.
he is
Professor
being
Prabhakar,
marked,
sir.
he is being marked every year, every now and then, every month and all that. So this is a great festival for all of us. And this year we have chosen, apart from many other topics that we have been choosing for the past 28 years, we have to remember the rishis, because of whom we are having a fund of knowledge, treasure of knowledge, and they have bequeathed so much knowledge to all of us. And not only that, the rishis have got the mantras revealed, but there are the meaning of them, the Veda Prakasha or Gnana Prakasha, or interpretation is an important thing. So as we see right from all the Vedas, Veda mantras have been interpreted, and that itself became a huge literature. That's what we call Vyakhya-karas. I should thank that Aparna, when we just said the contribution of rishis, he said, add sir Vyakhya-karas, but for them, something like the Max Muller and other people who say that without Sayanacharya, we have no ladder at all to climb the heights of meaning of the various mantras. So like that, the Vyakhya-karas are again rishis only. Say Rishi Buddhi is a flow. A rishi can understand another rishi. Therefore, we have so many rishis, including those who are sitting at this juncture trying to explore and explain and elucidate the knowledge of the Vedas and the rishis. And therefore, we have some rishis chosen, some topics chosen today. And I have also got some time to talk about the ritualistic and also the anthologies prepared later on, because hardly Rigveda. Say, as we know,